Hi everybody and welcome back to It's Elementary STEM videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple balancing toy. If you want to take this further once you're done, go ahead and check out Bruce Yaney's science videos, which are really amazing. There's a great one on balancing toys, as well as if you would like to do some reading, Mirette on the High Wire by Arnold McCulley and The Man Who Walked Between the Towers by Mordecai Gerstein. So let's go ahead and get started. To make your balancing butterfly, you're going to need a couple of pipe cleaners, a template, and something to color with. So let's just go ahead and color the butterfly really quickly. Once your butterfly is colored, you're going to want to cut it out. If you would like to, you can glue it down onto a slightly heavier piece of cardboard before you cut it out. A cereal box works really well. Once you have your butterfly cut out, you're going to want to poke 6 holes. You're going to poke 1 hole here, 1 hole here, 2 holes here, and another 2 holes here and here. One way to do it is by using the paperclip. Go ahead and unbend it a little bit. Poke 1 hole toward the end of the butterfly. One hole a little bit up toward the middle of the butterfly. 2 holes off center from the middle of the butterfly next to each other, and another 2 holes off center from the middle of the butterfly and next to each other. Take your first pipe cleaner and run it up through the hole at the back end of the butterfly. Then run it down through the next center hole. You want to leave most of your pipe cleaner here off the end. This piece here in the middle, you're going to coil into a small knot. There we go. Take your other pipe cleaner, and you can either try using it as a whole pipe cleaner, or fold it in half and cut it. Take 1/2 of the pipe cleaner and thread it up through the hole at the front of your butterfly, and then down through the hole on the same side of the butterfly. You want most of the body of it, about 50-50, but a little bit more toward the back. Go ahead and wrap it 1 or 2 times around that knot, and then shape it to make a leg for your butterfly. The front piece, you're going to just twirl or twist into an antenna shape. Do the same thing on the other side with your other half of your pipe cleaner. And twist that around the knot in the middle to make a second leg. Take this long tail of the pipe cleaner, curve it around so that it's hanging underneath your butterfly. Use the paper clip to be an added weight on the end of the pipe cleaner Just go ahead and fold the pipe cleaner so it's hanging in place, and you should be able to, with a little bit of adjustment, balance your butterfly. Make more than one butterfly and send us a picture so we can see how they came out. For It's Elementary and Eaton Public Library, this is Neil Schlein. Have fun!